Hi undergraduates. The word undergraduate I am using because you were just a student of Inter before yesterday, and after the result you all are undergraduates. For the results, for the tremendous success, I heartily congratulate all of you. This is really a celebration time for you guys, but simultaneously you need to think about what next, right? I had conversation with some of students recently after results. They were really thinking about what next. The real question was what we should do, right? So in this video I will be covering some of the real needed questions and topics. The first is review about how you did, how you scored, and what could be the potential scoring points. And the second will be what next, how you will be choosing your upcoming graduation courses. And the third point I am covering, what are the admission procedure. And the fourth point, which are the landing possibility, which college you may land as per your scored marks. Okay, so watch video till the end and circulate this video among your friends too. And the first part is review. Let's go for it. After the result, the first thing came to the notice that you have recognized your places, right? There were rumors around who will top, who will get how much marks. Your hard work paid you, and it's in front of you now. You can see the list have changed, right? In this list after result, there are new ground gainers and ground losers are there, right? Let's go to quick review. Who are the ground gainers after the results? And they are Lakshmi Kori, Priyanka, Ajay Saha, and Ankush Jaiswal, and never the least at Bipin, right? You guys have gained your ground. That means you have scored well. You all are at par of your expectations almost. But some students have lost their ground. Among those, they are Dhananjay Haldar, Lakshmi Jaiswal, and Pramila Sharma. You have lost your ground because at the end you really lost your focus of study, and the result is in front of you. It's visible, right? My message to all those students who have gained their ground, it's after a hard work, right? Don't lose it in your life, right? And for those who have lost your ground, just try to gain it. Nobody wants to lose their ground at the cost of simple maja, friendship, breakup, fun. For these things, we cannot lose our ground, right? So don't be loser. Try to come back in your life. You have plenty of opportunity in the future. Okay? So Dhananjay, Lakshmi, Pramila, don't be disheartened. Try and keep going. And those guys who have scored well or at par, please work hard and score well in your life, right? Your recognition is earned by your hard work. Keep that in mind. You will be recognized by your own hard work. So keep doing it. Now the second point, what next? And for you guys, you were a commerce inter students. So already stream has been decided by you. You are in commerce, and after 12th, there are two plots available. One is commerce plot and other is non-commerce plot. Please listen carefully. One is commerce plot, other is non-commerce plot, right? Commerce plot, there are BCom, there is stream of Bachelor of Commerce with banking, insurance, finance, accounting, economics, like that. And another is Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, and other is BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Study. And two more prominent courses are there which is well known and challenging, that is CA and CS, right? You guys already know it, right? If I talk about CA and CS, ground is already lost because entrance exam, form filling and all have been finished for the year, right? For this you have to think after October this year. So for the CA and CS, this year you lost it. So for the commerce, if you are thinking, you have choice of Bachelor of Commerce with the streams Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, BMS, right? And let me tell you, in these commerce field, Bachelor of Commerce with the streams are sponsored by government, so this is called government finance. So cost of BCom is very less as compared to BMS and BAF, right? BMS and BAF are not sponsored by government, you have to self-finance it. So if you compare BCom by the cost with the BAF and BMS, it will be 4 times costlier. Okay? Let's talk about non-commerce segment like fashion, arts, management, hotel management, like that. Those are private courses and it has hefty fees. Okay? It has hefty fees. You can think about these courses if you are having strong financial background. I say 5 lakh rupees fees is needed for the graduation course at least, minimum, right? If you are having these financial backgrounds, you can go to these non-commercial bachelor courses. Otherwise, you have those plenty of courses which are basically related to the business and commerce. Some, like just I said, Bachelor of Commerce with the streams are financed by government. These are less costlier courses because of government financed. You have to pay fees anyway, but fees are less. So it's up to you. You have to decide whether you have to go to the commerce attached courses or other. Think about it, Google it, take the knowledge, extract the knowledge from internet, gather it and decide. It's up to you. Now let's come to the procedure of admission. The bachelor degree admission courses are handled by 2-tier system. One is by the college and other is by the university, right? So for the admission in any college, first you have to take the prospectus of the college. So for each college, you have to fill 2 forms. One is the form of that particular college after taking the prospectus from the college, and other is the university college form, right? You have to combine these 2 forms and you have to submit it to the particular college, right? These are the procedure of filling forms. After filling the forms, college will verify your documents and they will take your admission fees, right? That is admission fees. It may be 100, 200 or 300, whatever it may be, right? After that, you have to wait for the list to be published in the college. It may take 1 or 2 days and they will publish the list in the college. You have to see whether your name is present on the list or not. If you find your name on the list of desired college, pay your fees, submit your originals and be the proud undergraduate student of that college. Right? I hope it is pretty clear now. I'm trying to make short video with as much as information possible, right? So this is the end part of video. In this video, I'm going to explain you the marks you have scored, what are the chances of landing in the colleges, right? So there is a list of colleges with the marks where you can possibly land, right? Just look at it and think by your scored marks, which are the colleges possibility you are having. So this list personally prepared by me by keeping in mind the radius of your home and nearby colleges. So keep watch.
As you can see, the possibility of getting colleges, जो मार्क्स आपको मिले हैं, जो परसेंटेज आपने स्कोर किया है, इसके बेसिस पर कौन से कॉलेजेस जो इजीली गेटेबल है, जहाँ पे आपका एडमिशन हो सकता है, एज़ पर द रेडियस एंड एज़ पर माय एक्सपीरियंस एंड लास्ट ईयर्स के जो कट ऑफ हैं, बाय दैट ये मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है. सो इसको हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टली देख लेते हैं, जिसमें अगर किसी का स्कोर 80 एंड अबोव है परसेंटेज, if someone has more than 80% marks, this is really good marks as we compare to colleges. So we get Ruparel, possibility of getting Ruparel, possibility of getting Poddar, possibility of getting SIES, old and new both. As you know, SIES has 2 branches. One is across the highway, that nearby Guru Kripa, that hotel Guru Kripa, and one is nearby your locality. So by this mark, both SIS possible. Then Khalsa, that is Guru Nanak Khalsa College, it's nearby Matunga, and KJ and SK Somaya. So these are the colleges may get qualified if you are having score more than 80%. So let's see the next slab, that more than 75%. If someone has scored more than 75%, so let's see the colleges possibility, which are they. Above 75% score attracts both the colleges of SIS, that is new and old. You can choose out of both any one. You can get old easily and new also after 2 or 3 list, definitely you will be getting. And Khalsa and KJ and SK, if you are having score more than 75%, easily gettable colleges are. One more college we can add here, that is nearby Wadala. We are having SIWS. So more than 75% marks if you are having, you will be getting these colleges. Now let's see to those who got more than 70, we can say in between 70 and 75. So which colleges are possible? SIWS on the list we are having. Second, SIS old and new both can be done. SIS new is having list possible here. At the 8th or 9th or 10th list you will be getting if you are having just more than 70%. Khalsa, yes, you will be getting in several lists. KJ is not possible. You will be getting admission on SK. So choices are less now if you are having score just above 70. Let's see who have scored more than 65%, which are the possible colleges nearby our locality we are having. Yes, definitely the first choice SIWS, still it will be qualified, but one more college I can add here. There is Bant Sangha College here nearby Kurla. Bant Sangha is a new college by Bant Sangha group, and it is one of the good colleges. So there may be possibility you may get in this Bant Sangha. And SIS old, here SIS new will be eliminated because more than 65, in between 70, least chance are there. So Guru Nanak here new college will get added. So Guru Nanak, you know, that is there in Guru Tegh Bahadur Nagar. And one more college you can add nearby after Matunga and in between Dadar, Kirti. And again SIWS, yes. So the list of colleges have drastically changed here on 65%. Let's see if someone has scored 60%. So which colleges possibly may accommodate you? So Bant Sangha, again this is at Kurla, and Guru Nanak again here above 60. SIS old is also eliminated because they will not entertain you, because 60% is considered as less marks. SIWS it may, मतलब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा पॉसिबिलिटी है कि SIWS आपको लेगा. तो if you are having more than 55 or less than 55, we can say if you are having less than first class, so what are the possibility? If you are having less than first class marks, the possibility is Ambedkar College. Or again, if there are girl or some, so Guru Nanak maybe, but I am not writing here. And again there is Sahu College, and one more college that is at Fort, Siddharth College, because they are having plenty of seat. Siddharth colleges, they are having almost 1000 seat, so they may accommodate you. So here were the list of colleges with mark.
After this, if there are any queries, you can group discuss on it. You can message to me. You can message to me on the group. Or if you feel shy on the group discussions, you can personally call me, right? And at the last, do not forget to share this video to the needy friends. Okay? So good luck.